what is the value of m if we know that the point 16m lies on the same line? Okay, so first thing we can do is just write mx plus b, so this will be our equation. We can see that we can solve for the slope by using these 2 points. Why? Because when we solve for delta x, or x2 minus x1, you'll see that the k's will cancel out. If you're not sure what I mean by that, just wait a second, then I'll show you. And we can also know that the base is here, because the base is when x is equal to 0, so therefore base is equal to 2. So we can plug that in so far. We have mx plus 2. To find the slope, we have delta x over delta y, delta y over delta x. Remember, the y always goes on top, so delta y over delta x gets us 17 minus 14 divided by k plus 2 minus k. And so here you see what I was talking about. These k's cancel out, so we have 3 over 2 as the slope. Alright, so you have 3 over 2 as the slope, and then 2 as the base. So you have 3 halves x plus 2. Now we want to find the slope of the point 16m. So we plug in 16 for x. So we get 8 times 2, that's 24, plus 2, 26. A.